Today we're going to be putting in these 03 style headlights into my 01 F350. These ones, you can see they got a crack here and here. That's just on the left side. The driver's side is pretty good shape, and I only paid 40 bucks for them, so they're a lot better than these ones. You can see these are all clouded up and everything, and these are nice and clear. And these are just temporary anyways because I'm doing the 05 front end swap onto this. But anyways, let's get right into the video. So for removal of these headlights, you can see, sorry the lighting's kind of rubbish here, but there's a clip here. You can see this white nub sticking out there. And on this one here, you can kind of see the tab on this one. This tab just needs to be pulled straight up. So I have here, I have these bent pliers. Alright, I grabbed a light and grabbed a pair of straight needle nose. The curved ones weren't working so well. Just grab it like so. Uh-oh. Alright, after a few choice words, I was able to get the clip out. So you can see there's that bit we were grabbing on. The nub that it was sitting on. Now this side, somebody has already done this. See here, but they bent the clip up, so I'll just have to push mine forward and then do the same thing as we did over here. So I'll bend that forward and then I'll show you that one lifting up. Okay, it was not bent as I thought, but the tab that you pull on is been ripped off, so I'm just trying to kind of pry it up and wiggle it out of place. You can see it's moving there. Just gotta get these underneath. There you go. There's that one. I'll show you what it's talking about. So you can see we have that knob that we were pulling on, and this one does not. So now you can see here that is off, and the one on the black is off right here. So now this headlight should be loose. Just I'll get that pulled out and then I'll show you how to take off the signal light piece. Alright, last step to remove the headlight. I'm gonna grab yourself 7mm, you can see it there, and then this piece, there's one of those, you can see it down there. You're just going to want to loosen that all the way out, and then you'll be able to take the headlight out, pull that out. Make sure you unclip your headlight bolt. You can see the piece there goes into there. So just put this underneath this chair for a second. See, there's the piece we were unscrewing from there. You can go in from the back, and you can see right there, my shadow's on. That piece, there's those two nubs you can push in, and then you can push that whole piece out, and this will stay connected with the headlight. I just don't have the dexterity to push that old plastic in, so I just did it this way. It'll be the same thing over there. So yeah, now for the signal lights, you'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver. You can see one right here, the other one right here. So just take those out, and then this whole piece will pull out, and then just make sure you undo your signal light bulb and then your bulb for the corner light. Alright, you can see we got it pulled out. So it's just these connections here go in there. Little guide pin there. And got another one that goes in there. And then you just twist this one up. The bulb comes out. Don't touch the bulb. Just set that aside for now. And then you have your marker light, which just takes another twist. So I'll just set that to the side as well. And you can clean up this area if you want. Got our headlight ready to go in there. I'm going to clean the headlight up just a little bit, and I will show you the install. Right here we have the cracked, faded one installed. Just make sure to line it up, push these pins in until you hear that satisfying click sound. See here, our gap is nice and even. Now I'm going to put those screws on. It's a little harder on mine because I have this aftermarket bumper, but pretty straightforward. Just line your holes up and send them home. Okay, we got those screws in. You can see our headlights, or signal lights, and the marker lighter turned in. Wires could be tucked a little bit better. Okay, now we're going to throw that in there. And just remember that I should have mentioned earlier, this is a reverse thread. So right is loose and left is tight. Alright, we got that one in. Looks kind of crappy just because the chip here and then the crack. But like I said, I'm doing the front end swap right away on this, so I'm not too concerned. But yeah, that looks a lot cleaner than what was on there. See, Nito's helping too. So yeah, that'll do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you found this helpful.